guys, I'm Rahul and welcome back to Aqua. So, this video, as the title says, is about the paludarium maintenance, which you guys must have seen the setup videos. The setup videos have been put up a couple of months back. So, there is a two-part series. That is part 1, which is going to come up here. And I'm going to give a little bit of a gap, and then you will see part 2, which is going to come here. All the links of this entire series I will leave it in the description and also in the cards. So yeah, this was a dream project for both me and my wife, and came out really well. So, and I made another part 3 where we spoke about the lighting, which is right on top. So the entire lighting and all the process, we had actually done the 3-part series. So the best thing, or the most important thing in any aquarium, is the maintenance, and you have to maintain an aquarium, and that's very, very important. So that's one of the reasons I still haven't covered the pipes and all. A lot of you guys have actually commented saying you could have covered the pipes so it will look better and stuff like that. But the problem with all of that is, when you cover the pipes, it gets kind of difficult to remove and maintain and stuff. So for me, as far as I'm concerned, if the water is flowing well and the fishes are happy, I'm completely fine. So a little bit of I thought of painting it black, but didn't quite do it. But yeah, it's okay. At the end of the day, it's working. So this video basically is about pulling out the pipes and cleaning them out and fixing it back, and some maintenance and some things what we always have to do with every aquarium. So that's what this video is all about. And if you guys are visiting my channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing, and please do hit the bell icon. So we regularly make videos on discus keeping, planted tanks, marine tanks, flower horn, and lot of tips and tricks about the hobby. So hit the bell icon, and see you on the other side. So the paludarium has been running successfully for about 6 months now. There's a lot of cleaning work to be done. You can see the glass. I don't know if the stain will go, but yeah, all the plants have caught up very well. This guy needs to be tied up. All the other ones are okay. The plants inside are also fine. The glass needs cleaning. Fishes are all okay. The main problem here is the pump. The main pump which was here, that the pressure is completely reduced, and the flow which used to come from here is also become less. So I need to open out the pipe and clean out the pump. So overall it looks fine. I mean, it looks like a well established setup. So pipe cleaning and pump cleaning is pending. So let's open up the entire thing, and all of this glass and all needs to be cleaned out. Yeah, long pending maintenance. Okay, so let's start off. Need to do it one by one. Might set the camera on the tripod, and let's do that. This is the reason I didn't fix up all the pipes, so you can remove it out and clean it out. It's completely filled with junk, so the entire thing has to be cleaned, and the side pipe has to be removed. So let's do all the removal first and then get into cleaning. There's a lot of junk. You see all the holes are kind of fully filled up. Yeah. So it's a lot of things, a lot of cleaning. So that's why one of the reasons I didn't actually seal up the entire thing. So it is easy to actually pull it out. Next you need to get into the glass. Yeah, this is where the pump unit was sitting. You would have seen in the start one fish which has come inside. So this I cleaned some time back, but again there's a lot of junk which has come in. So I put this mesh which I had put earlier, but I removed it in between. So need to siphon this portion out. Yep, it's a little tough task because it's really tall, so I need to use some help to siphon out this junk, and then I need to fix the pump back. Pump's also in a bad state, so the usual maintenance, you would have seen it in a lot of my videos. Remove the whole pump and clean out the impeller. And these are the two connections, you would have seen that in my earlier video. So clean out all these pipes and fix it back. This is the pump I used. So let's do all the cleaning. I don't want to bug you guys with all the cleaning parts. I'm sure you've seen a lot of my other videos where the maintenance, they're all really small impellers. See, this is a huge impeller because it's a very powerful pump. This is basically 2500 liters per hour pump from Venus Aqua. So huge impeller. So I just thought I should show this because you see in my other videos I've made, you would have seen the impellers are really tiny and small. So I thought, okay, just thought I'll show you this guy. It's really big. It's as big. Yeah, it's about 4-5 inches. Chalo. It's been a lot of days since I've cleaned the glass. Crazy. A lot of stuff stuck on it. I'm using a normal toothbrush to clean out. Some tough stains, I think we'll have to use a blade because they may not go with the brush. Oh, big work. Okay, let me finish this and get back. Cleaned out the full pipe. So let's fix it back. Okay, fill some water and then get back. Filled up water, fix the pipes back, pump is in place. So yeah, hopefully it's a little cloudy of course because of the water change. Yes, I tried and cleaned most of the glass. So let's switch on the pump and check how it is. Hopefully it's working fine. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, there's something happening here. A small adjustment needs to be done in this portion. Okay. Little bit of adjustments. Like this stone over here will reduce the pressure. Oh, okay, I need to set this up. Okay, little bit of adjustments. Chalo. Put the pressure in place. This is the other side waterfall. The top background wall is fine, the flow is fine, and all the water is going on all this. It's good. This is still a little more cloudy. I'm taking some more shots. Once the water clears out. So I kept this stone basically because it's a lot of splash, and if you see this pipe and all is got rusted, and even this portion of the glass has got really bad because this has been continuously spraying. So I kept that stone. So as much as I could, I cleaned the glass. And yeah, this one sprinkler project which my wife wanted me to do, and I've not done it, and she's very angry with me. But yeah, so some sprinklers. I've told this in the video, in the initial video also, but I've not done that yet because all these plants. This is some other moss what we picked up. It's dried up. You need to get those sprinklers and then put these fresh moss back. Yeah, so those are few pending things that needs to be done. Yeah, otherwise all these guys are happy. Yeah, so it's all good. I mean, a lot of you guys have told me that the pipe needs to be covered and all, but personally speaking, I want the plants and the fish to be happy. For me, a major background or this what do you say, glamour quotient doesn't matter. So it should be easy for me to remove and clean. Like just now you saw, right, sometime back, how easily I could just pull out the pipes and clean. So if I had covered it up fully, it would have been very, very difficult to do that. So that's one reason I've left it like. I should have painted it black. Of course, some people suggested that, yeah, but it's okay. As far as the plants and my fishes are happy, that's all I care. And I don't think it looks that bad. What do you say, guys? So I'll take a couple of more shots once the water clears out. Okay. Yeah, so finally my paludarium is fully cleaned out. The mist maker is on, so you get this nice smoky feel. Nice. So long pending job done. Yeah. So hopefully everything works well. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, like and share our videos, and do support our channel by subscribing to it. And like I said earlier, we will regularly make videos on a lot of different topics. And recently we started also making videos in different regional languages. So trying to cover up and also support a lot of other audience. That's what is this whole effort. So hope you guys like this video, and do watch the other first 3 parts of this entire series of this paludarium. And I just love the paludarium at home, and that sound in the house, the waterfall kind of a thing is perfect. I mean, I like it. So I would like to listen to hear your comments also. I mean, comments are also very, very important. Okay, so I look forward to all of that. Okay, and until next time, stay safe, wear a mask, and that's about it, man. Be happy. Cheers.